Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ADP Payroll Services. ADP Payroll Services is a comprehensive payroll solution designed for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to streamline payroll processing, from calculating wages and deductions to tax filing and direct deposit. Key features include employee self-service portals, tax compliance tools, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on their various plans and pricing. ADP emphasizes ease of use and aims to reduce the administrative burden associated with payroll management. They highlight features like automated calculations to minimize errors and ensure compliance. While specific pricing isn't readily available without a quote, they claim transparency and the absence of hidden fees. Availability is widespread, catering to businesses across various industries and locations. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ADP Payroll Services. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The initial setup involved providing basic company information and employee details. The onboarding process was well guided, with helpful tutorials and FAQs readily available online. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear dashboard that presented key metrics like upcoming payroll deadlines and total payroll expenses. Processing payroll itself was incredibly smooth. The system automatically calculated taxes and deductions, saving me a significant amount of time and effort compared to manual calculations. I had one instance where I needed to contact customer support. I submitted a query through their online portal and received a prompt and helpful response within 24 hours. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the ability to easily generate reports was fantastic. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve involved in understanding the more advanced features, like customizing payroll deductions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ADP Payroll Services. It's a powerful and efficient tool that significantly simplified my payroll responsibilities. That's my overview of ADP Payroll Services. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.